Hello everyone, welcome back from my channel. Today we are going to do the exercises from Cambridge Primary Mathematics Workbook 3. Unit 2, Studies, Tally Charts and Frequency Tables. Exercise 2.1. Question number 1. Complete the tally chart using the data. 17 triangles, 25 squares, 9 pentagons, 24 circles. So this is a table we need to complete. So there are 24 circles, 15 squares, 17 triangles, 9 pentagons. Question A. What is the total number of shapes? 75. Question B. Which shape is there the most of? Squares. Question C. Which shape is there the fewest of? Pentagons. Question D. Which two shapes total 42? Triangles and squares. Question 2. Use a tally chart in question 1 to make a frequency table. Draw the shapes. So this is a frequency table using the tally chart from question 1. Question 3. Fill in the missing parts of this table. Ways of traveling, tally, and frequency. So as you can see, for walk, there are 12 frequency, and for bike, there are 9 frequency, and for bus, there are 6 frequency, and for car, there are 3 frequency. Question 4. Complete the tally chart to show the numbers of vertices in each shape. So, number of vertices and tally. For 0 vertices, there is 2, and for 1 and 2 vertices, there is no shape, and for 3 vertices, there are 3, and for 4 vertices, there are 4, and for 5 vertices, there are 2. Write 3 different things that the tally chart shows you. Number 1, there are no shapes that have 1 or 2 vertices. Number 2, shapes with 4 vertices are the most common. Number 3, shapes with no vertices and 5 vertices have the same frequency. Question 5. This frequency table shows the number of sweets in 20 bags. Number of sweets, frequency. So, use the data in the frequency table to write 3 questions to your partner. Number 1. What is the most common number of sweets found in a bag? Number 2. How many bags contain exactly 24 sweets? Number 3. What is the total number of the sweets? Question 6. This table shows the color of the cars parked outside the school. Complete the table to show the car colors. For white color, there are 4 cars. For blue color, there are 5 cars. For black colors, there are 4 cars. For red colors, there is 1. For yellow color, there are 3 cars. For green colors, there are 4 cars. For purple color, there are 3 cars. Write 3 questions about the data in the table for your partner to answer. Number 1. Which color car is the most common? Number 2. How many red cars are parked outside the school? Number 3. How many total cars are shown in the table? Question 7. Nasif does a survey. He asks his classmate what kind of pet they have. He records the data like this. Nasif has made 3 mistakes. Find his mistakes and correct them. So, as you can see in the table, there should be 26 frequency and he make only 21 tally for that. So we will correct that. And for horse, there are 3 frequency and he made 4 tallied. So we will correct 4 to 3. And for the total, there should be 52. But he made 42, so we will correct that. So the answer will be like this. Question 8. Tran is ill and cannot go to school. She counts and records the number of people in cars traveling down her streets in 2 hours. Number of people in each car. Number of cars. A. How many cars went past Tran's house? 150 cars. B. How many people in total travel in those cars? 240 people. Question 9. These are the results of a survey of the most popular rides at the fan fair from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. A. Complete the tally chart and frequency table. So as you can see in the table, for carousel there are 18, for bumper cars there are 15, for Ferris wheel there are 23, for head-scatter there are 14, for roller coaster there are 28, for teacups there are 12, for weather there are 21, for drop tower there are 31, for pirate ship there are 27. Question B. Write 3 questions for your partner to answer. Number 1. Which ride is the most popular? How do you know? Question 2. Which ride do the least number of people like? Question 3. How many rides are there altogether?